Some of the most common fears that people have around astral projection is, number one, can I get lost and not return back to my body? No, you cannot get lost, and the slightest thought about returning to the body will bring you back instantly. Number two, can someone take over my body while I'm away? No, only you and your higher self has access to your body. Number three, can I get hurt while being out of body? No, you're traveling non-physically with your consciousness without a flesh body that can get hurt. That's why I say astral travel is safer than traveling physically with your physical body, because your physical body can get hurt and die, but your consciousness cannot. Now, to shine some light on this and bring some clarity to these common fears, it's important to understand that our consciousness is multidimensional. We are able to have experiences in multiple places at the same time, and when we say that we leave our bodies, we actually don't mean leave the body. We just project our consciousness outside of it, but we're always connected to the physical body during our projections. This means that we feel and have full awareness of our physical body even when we're having an astral projection. The smallest disturbing sound or movement of a pet or someone sleeping next to us would immediately bring our awareness back to our physical body. Still, people talk about all kinds of horrific experiences online, and it's important to clarify why most of these experiences are happening. There is something called sleep paralysis, which many people mistake for being astral projection. Sleep paralysis is when your body is paralyzed during sleep and you can't move. It's absolutely natural for the body to paralyze itself when you sleep so it doesn't move around when you dream. Without this function, you could be falling off your bed while sleeping. But the problem is that some people wake up mentally while sleeping before their body wakes up. When this happens and the person does not know what is going on, tremendous fear can kick in and the person starts feeling as if something or someone is holding them. Since they're not fully awake and their mind is somewhere between the dream world and the awake world, their fearful thoughts can start manifesting as very realistic hallucinations. These hallucinations can appear like all kinds of scary figures in the room with negative intentions. What you need to understand about these figures is that they're not real. They're just manifestations of the person's subconscious fears. And when the person becomes aware of this fact and they are able to remain calm and learn how to wake up their body from this state, they often find that these scary figures stops appearing because they're no longer afraid. A simple technique to wake up out of sleep paralysis is to move your tongue or toes or breathing in random rhythms. Now, the good thing about people who have sleep paralysis is that they would usually have a natural talent for astral projection. I hope this explanation has cleared up some of the misunderstandings and myths around astral projection, and that you can now see how sleep paralysis experiences have been influencing people's judgments over the years.